Hi, my name is Jen.
Hi, I'm Lisa.
We're sisters.
And we do daily vlogs here on YouTube.
Now, we call our audience Roadies because we feel life is like a road trip.
All you need is determination and a destination.
2014, we've dedicated this year as our year of change. Because we believe
this year is gonna be better. And you're gonna say this year gonna be stronger. And I'm braver me this year. And I'm gonna make it. Cause I said I would do all the things you said I never could this year.
Hi, Roadies, welcome to the road trip.
Hi.
Roadies, look at that. Pacific Ocean right there. Staying just about a mile and a half from this today to where our new hotel is. And since you can't be here, Roadies, we're gonna put our feet in the ocean just for you guys.
Hold on.
Uh-oh, Lisa's putting Roadies. I'm gonna show you. Look. We are you, Roadies. Here it comes, look. Oh, it's not gonna make it.
Oh, wait, this big one will get it.
Alright, this big one's gonna get it. Hold on, Roadies. Look.
Okay, here it goes. Come on.
This next
Here
one.
we go, here we go, here we go.
Nah, it's nice. Alright, Roadies, we just had to show you this today. We switched hotels today. We're no longer in Anaheim. We are staying in Manhattan Beach. And might I say, it is like paradise. Manhattan Beach. Look at the beach houses, Roadies. Right? How cool is that?